Laser welding, a strategic on-premise process, creates a hermetic seal to the atmosphere.
This allows the sensor to operate without contamination, loss of insulation resistance, and other negative performance effects.
Our process fuses components together in lieu of adding any filler material, initially by tack welding the components, effectively holding them in place, followed by high-speed circumference welding, which then seals the weld. Our skilled welders observe the actual weld under magnification while in process, and further ensure a quality weld with a gross leak test performed on all of our welds.
Our team works across 2 shifts, producing thousands of welds per shift.
PCB's welding capabilities allow for the smallest weld joints all the way up to large industrial-style sensors, requiring deeper weld penetration under longer pulse widths.